wanted was
Don't tell me this guy is a Cheeto hacker. Please don't tell me. Oh, nice shot, bro. He's not a hacker like probably the greatest 8-ball pool player. Oh my god, after a long time. Where's my popcorn, man? After a long time, we are getting to see this. Alright, so this is a normal shot on the brown ball. Oh my god, now watch. No one can put the green ball except this player right now. Oh, unbelievable. I'm lost for words, man. When I've... What? Wait, he's gonna... Which hack is this? Cheeto hack didn't have this feature. What was this? Last video I left off with 30 million coins, and I just played 2 Paris matches, but I didn't show it because the wins were like, one time my opponent potted the cue ball along with the black ball, second time I got a pretty basic open table and I cleared it, so I won 2 Paris matches and I'm at 36 million in front of you guys. And let's go for stripes. I'm gonna choose, oh yeah, stripes, even though I'm not 100% sure whether choosing stripes was the better option. Like, by the way, I'm using the Franken cue right now. Don't touch the knuckle. Okay, I thought it will. In my mind, I think I am gonna lose the game because I don't see this working. There goes my brown, but the black is not going in the... There's one problem, like black is not going in the bottom left pocket. Now I can go for the green and then the yellow, but what about the black? But at least I will not change the plan till my yellow ball. Oh wait, what do I have to do now? That was the perfect shot. Oh, the black can be potted in the top right pocket. I mean, top left, what am I talking about? Let's go for the yellow. Yes, this was a nice shot. I just need to be careful not to pot my cue ball, and my aim needs to be correct. Because this is a long shot by my standards, and don't be shocked if I'm gonna miss this shot. I do not miss this shot, and I'm at 41 million coins right now. My opponent has quit the game. And now I will play one more. Bangkok or Seoul? Okay, so I came to the Bangkok table, guys. I was thinking Seoul or Bangkok. Seoul, because I think, yeah, Bangkok was... Did I say Bangkok? Alright, so let's go for the red ball. And I mean, my opponent got the break on this table, but they have messed up, as you see. They're saying that's why I have the chance. So it looks like, hold on. Yeah, I got the game. Because following a plan is crucial, right? When I'm playing this series, it's not like I'm doing anything random, you know? Planning is very crucial. Okay, now I have to change my plan. I'll explain. First, my plan was to go for the yellow, brown, the yellow, brown, and then the green. But now I'm gonna go for the green, yellow, brown. So you have to be flexible according to the situation. Let's go for the yellow ball, just like this. I'll just be grateful. Okay, black. Wait, why was I planning so much? Now I'm realizing that the black can be potted in both the pockets, like the top right and the bottom right. So let's go for the bottom right. And hopefully this shot goes inside, guys. Can you imagine that I will miss this? I can imagine, because sometimes I miss these simple direct shots. And we won this game. Now I should be at 46. Yeah. Now, now I'm gonna go to a Seoul game. Hopefully it's gonna be my break this time. Because since the past 2 times, only the last time, you gotta exaggerate a bit less. So in the previous video, it's not my... Whenever I need the most, this series is very unlucky when it comes to the breaks. Okay, but I got my chance. Now guys, which ball to choose? No, solids. Black ball, please. Oh! I fixed everything, but the most important ball hasn't been fixed. Can I pot the green ball, by the way? I have to pot it. I mean, I just called the pocket out of randomness. Yeah, and I removed the red as well. I'm very happy with, brown. Yeah, everything is fine on the table except the fact, because if I'm going to go for the red, yes, I have this chance. Go inside. Oh, no, mine. No. Actually, I should have let the black. Now I'm thinking where it were. And instead, went for a bank shot on the black. What am I doing? No! Okay, calm down. It had to go inside. Oh, yeah, I'm lucky. Gotta be honest right now. I'm just lucky, and that's exactly why I'm gonna go for a bank shot. Okay, with bank shot, I remember one thing, guys. Man, in the previous video, people got really angry at me. Oh, no, 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 no. I thought I'm gonna again make people angry. I was reading comments that I will stop watching your videos now because you're going for too many unnecessary bank shots. So now I have to actually fix it, man. It's not like, because yeah, and my point was right, because I also read a comment that said seeing you win a game is much more satisfying as compared to, even if you go for an unnecessary bank shot win. But I mean, sorry, if you lose because of an unnecessary bank shot. Now I'm gonna go for the Mumbai table. Your first Mumbai game should be when you're at 100 million coins. Again, I'm saying I'm skipping some things because this is a series. Oh, it's my break. Let's go for the break. I don't know whether I mentioned this that I'm using the Franken key right now, but I'm again saying because I think at this point a person has such a stats queue, obviously, so I think it's justified. Yeah, I hit that with some force because I didn't want to risk my green ball, which means going for the brown will be just a bit difficult, I'm gonna say. Let's go for the green. Okay, I have 4 balls remaining on the table. Again, this is the Mumbai table. Extreme precaution is needed right now. I will not go for the blue and try to, free the black and then go for the brown. I will try to go for the brown this way. Oh, nice. This was a nice shot. If what I'm thinking happens, it's going to be very nice. Let's set top right spin. Oh, no. I've used way too much force. It's not that this is game over still, but guys, this queue has very less time. Can I win the game? Okay, very proper force. Yes! First Mumbai win on this. A lot of people, no, not a lot of people, but some people were saying that 50 million coins should be the coin target for this video, but obviously that was way too low because I already started with 30 million coins. So right now we are at 70 million coins. Where's this series heading to? Sigya almost. Now we'll play one. What can I play to make this 70 million? And Shanghai is the answer. Wait, red ball is stuck. I mean, guys, for our full 70 million for this video, I have to win the share. Oh, I'm stuck. No, no, no. I have to clear the red. Let's try to go for. I mean, this is obviously not a that important game for us right now because, I mean, the perspective is such a big thing, man. I was basically shivering when I was playing Shanghai like a couple days ago when I was not having a lot of coins on this account, but now it's not that, I mean, not the same. So let's go for the red ball, heading back, been trying to make position for a bank shot. I didn't perfectly did it, but let's try to go for the bottom middle pocket. That was a nice bank shot. So now I should be exactly at 70 million coins, guys, sorry. Let's see. What? Man, I am also sometimes not very intelligent because I forgot that the 1 million will be the entry fee as well. I just saw the winning price 2 million and I thought this will take me to 70 million coins. So hopefully if I'm gonna deny my opponent this time, my dream of hitting 70 million exact on this account will be fulfilled. Can I go for, yeah, I will just get rid of my brown ball. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, it's not gonna go inside, but I mean, oh no. I cannot go for the purple, yeah, obviously. So I have to go for this orange ball with some backspin. Yeah, this is a much better position right now. And actually, this is a winnable position as well. Let's go for the blue. But there's one problem. Where will I put the black? Let's go for the purple first. I mean, black is going in the bottom right, I know, and I think that is what I will do. Let's not just use our brains that much. Oh, hey! Oh, sorry. And this series, I'm really getting emotional. And there goes our black ball. Now, if my maths is correct, guys, 70 million. And I want to, by the way, thank you, man. I'm getting so many comments that people are getting so much help from this series, sorry. And that is really exciting for me. Now I'm ending this video at 70 million. I basically increased 40 million coins in this video. Oh, I unlocked a queue, no upgrade. Please tell me in the comment section what is going to be the next year. In the next video, I will not go too high. So maybe we will reach 100 million coins safely. Or maybe 150, that's the max. Tell me the next goal. Guys, this is a 20. I'm like, let's play a 20. No, not on my main account. Don't get confused. I will maybe write the text. Superb shot to clear the blue ball, guys. That was nice. Alright, let's go for the blue now. So, orange ball. I mean, there's a way to make position for the orange, but I have to be very precise. And I think I think I can put the orange ball in the... Yes, I can. Let's go for the orange ball right now. Game over, man. Maybe he's gonna leave the game. His name, by the way, my opponent's name is matching his avatar a lot. Odal name is sounding like, you know, Odin, God of War type of name. My man is not gonna quit the game. So let's show this guy a bank shot. See, I'm not trying to boast and all. This is all just circuit. I don't know why I'm enjoying playing 9-ball pool today right now. Yellow is in a bad position, but I think yellow will go inside like that. What a nice shot. Now this time it's Juan Luis from Spain. Let's go for this normally only. I mean, I'm trying to avoid, you know, right now. I'm trying to avoid unnecessary bank shots. Because even I agree, man, it's being annoying now. Oh, messed up. Why did I use so much force? If you haven't hit the like button, just hit it. That was a great snooker escape. Where's that snooker escape counter, guy? 85th snooker escape? This is gonna be our last game now. This we'll try to end the video by playing. Oh, messed it. I mean, now obviously I will be careless because this is not a series. I'm trying to rely. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 ball, but I did not. Oh, nice. When that orange and blue got removed from over there, then it was nice. I mean, okay, there goes our yellow ball. Now, obviously the brown ball first. Yeah, good. We can do this. This is Jacob from Morocco, and let's add backspin. Not a lot of force. Yes. So my cue ball might fly. I mean, I have to control the cue ball on this bank shot. Otherwise, we will be fine. Very soon, I have to also play Berlin on our series account, right? All right, that was a nice shot. Very clean Berlin game, I'm gonna say. And by that, goodbye.